so I'm just going to kind of go over in depth the directions for the birthday polynomial. Make sure that before you watch this video, you go ahead and have it printed out. That way you can follow along. Alright, so on this sheet, once you come up with a birthday polynomial, so for example, let me just use the birthday, let's say if I did 12, 20, 2000. Alright, then for my birthday polynomial, I could use x to the third plus 2x squared minus 2x plus 20. And you can see that I used 1, 2, 2, 20. It's up to you how you want to use it. Okay, once I've done this, I'm going to go to Dismos.com. Let me get my phone. Alright. And I'll write this up here. This is the website you're going to go to, desmos.com, in order to graph your polynomial. So, let me show you how to work it. Once you get to Dismos, it'll look like this. You hit Start Graphing. It'll take you to the website, and then you plug in your polynomial. So, I would have x, and to raise it to a power, you hit this AB button. So, raised to the third plus 2x squared minus 2x plus 20. And you can see how my graph's going to look. And it even tells you if you click on where the zeros are. So my zero, as you can see, kind of, not really, it's at negative 3.86. So when I go to graph it, since this is going to be a big graph, I can go by like ones on my x-axis. So I go to 1, 2, 3, negative 3, 8.6, so that'd be around here. And then my y-axis, you can see that it's pretty large. This is 20 right here, so I could go by 5s or 10s here. I'm going to go by 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20. Looks like there is a point at 0, 20, so 5, 10, 15, 20. And then I'm going to also graph this point over here, negative 1, 24, so 5, 10, 15, 20, almost to 25. And now I'm just going to sketch my graph. So my graph goes up like this. Oh, I have another. Goes up like this, and like I said, you're just kind of sketching a rough draft of it, and you can see my graph looks like that. And then you would describe in this section the 4 things about your graph that were on this sheet. One of them is the leading coefficient and degree of polynomials, so I would write in full sentences. So my birthday polynomial, I'm going to put B-Day, but please write birthday. Polynomial has a leading coefficient of 1 and a degree of 3. So that is the first part. Identify the leading coefficient and degree. I just did that. Then identify all of the zeros. I have, let's do my polynomial has 1 real 0 at, and let me pull up my graph because I forgot where it was, and my 0 is at 0, negative 3.86. 0.86. So that's part 2. Determine whether it's even or odd. Well, I know that my end behavior on this side is going to negative infinity, positive. So this, my polynomial, is odd. I know this because, and then part 4 says describe the end behavior, because as x approaches negative infinity, f of x approaches negative infinity. As x approaches positive infinity, so to the right side, f of x approaches positive infinity. Alright, once you've described those 4 things, what you will do is cut out each box, so this box, this one, and this one, and you will glue it to construction paper and then just decorate it. So here's an example of what one would look like cut out. She cut this part, and this part out, and has glued it to a piece of construction paper and decorated it. And then make sure that your name is on it somewhere. Alright, so that's pretty much how we do the birthday polynomial. If you have any questions, let me know. This is going to be due Wednesday. Wednesday is the 15th, if you would like to complete it.